What if I told you you could cook an entire meal using just a glass of water? No gas, no charcoal, no refills. Sounds impossible, but a company called Greenvize just made it real. Imagine a stove that creates its own fuel, instantly. No tanks, no deliveries, no waiting. Just water and electricity. At the heart of this invention is a process called electrolysis. Water goes in, electricity flows, and it splits into hydrogen and oxygen. Electrolysis uses electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen gas. That hydrogen becomes the fuel. A PEM electrolyzer produces hydrogen in real time, no storage needed. Here's where it gets wild. Just 100 milliliters of water and 1 kilowatt-hour of electricity can power up to 6 hours of cooking. That's multiple meals from a single cup. This could change kitchens around the world, especially in places where gas is expensive or hard to access. Cleaner energy, less dependency, a more sustainable future. From firewood to gas to electricity. And now, water-powered cooking. Would you try cooking with water? Given a chance, would you use this nitrogen cooker? I would like to know your comments. Subscribe for more.